What if you could build a production AI application, chatbot, RAG system, AI agent, workflow automation, without writing AI infrastructure code? Drag and drop a workflow. Upload your documents. Pick your model, GPT-4, Claude, Llama, Gemini, anything. Deploy with one command. 138,000 GitHub stars, 1.4 million machines, running at Volvo, Novartis, and Maersk. This is the open-source AI platform the industry is standardizing on. This is Dify, an open-source LLM application development platform. 138,000 stars, 21,600 forks, top 52 most starred repo on all of GitHub. The name stands for Do It For You. The platform handles the complex AI infrastructure, so you can focus on building apps. Visual Workflow Builder, RAG Pipeline, AI agents, Prompt IDE, model management across 100+ LLMs, and full LLMOps observability. Self-host with Docker Compose, or use the cloud at Dify.ai. 4 commands to a full AI app factory. And this is why 138,000 developers start it. 138,000 stars in under 3 years. One of the fastest growing open source projects in history. 25,600 forks, 10,000 commits, 1.4 million machines running worldwide, 280 enterprise clients, $30 million raised at a $180 million valuation. And the core team? Former Tencent Cloud DevOps engineers who pivoted into the LLM space at exactly the right moment. Here's what you get in one platform. A visual workflow builder, drag and drop canvas for building AI pipelines as directed graphs, LLM nodes, HTTP requests, code execution, knowledge retrieval, conditional logic, and human-in-the-loop approval. A RAG pipeline, upload documents, and Dify handles chunking, embedding, and indexing with 25+ vector database backends. AI agent capabilities with 50+ built-in tools. A prompt IDE for testing and comparing across models. Model management for 100+ LLMs, and full observability, monitoring, logging, cost tracking, and debugging. But here's the feature that sells itself, the knowledge base. Upload a PDF, Word document, PowerPoint, Notion page, or web URL. Dify automatically chunks it, embeds it, and indexes it into your vector database. Then build a chatbot grounded in that data, with citations. No manual chunk size tuning, no embedding pipeline setup, no vector database configuration. Upload a document, connect it to a workflow, deploy. Your customer support bot grounded in company docs takes minutes, not weeks. That's why Volvo and Novartis use it. Here's who built this. Luyu Zhang is a self-taught coder and middle school dropout from China. He and his co-founder Richard Yan led a team of former Tencent Cloud DevOps engineers, 2 product managers, about 13 developers, and 3 operations people. They pivoted from developer tools into the LLM application space, raised $30 million at a $180 million valuation, and landed Volvo, Novartis, Maersk, ETS, and Anchor as clients. From a dropout to building the platform running on 1.4 million machines. That's a FOSS origin story. Think about what this means for building AI apps. LangGenius gives you maximum flexibility but requires deep coding. Dify gives you 15 clean node types and a visual builder. Flowice is a visual LangGenius wrapper. Dify is a fully independent platform with its own RAG engine. N8N is general-purpose automation that can include AI. Dify is AI native. Everything is built around LLMs. OpenAI Assistance locks you into one provider. Dify supports 100+ models from every provider, and it's self-hostable with Docker Compose in under 5 minutes. No vendor lock-in, ever. Docker Compose up. Upload your documents, build your workflow, deploy your AI app. Dify, the open-source platform that 138,000 developers and 280 enterprises trust to build AI applications. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open-source tools so you don't have to.